High cholesterol? Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, AJ here. Today we're going to chat about cholesterol. It's a big word, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be scary. Cholesterol is actually a waxy substance your body needs, but sometimes the levels can get a little out of hands. Now, how do you know if your cholesterol levels are high? Well, there often aren't any clear symptoms, but some folks might experience fatigue, chest pain, or even shortness of breath. Keep an eye out for yellowish bumps on your eyelids, called xanthomas. Those can be a sign too. Alright, so what can negatively affect cholesterol levels? Certain foods can play a role. We're looking at things like red meat, processed meats like sausages, fried foods, sugary drinks and baked goods. These are often loaded with saturated and trans fats, not the best cholesterol buddies. But don't worry, there are tons of delicious options to keep your taste buds happy and your heart healthy. Swap red meat for fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon or tuna. Bake or grill instead of frying and embrace the amazing world of whole grains, fruits and veggies. They're packed with fiber, which helps manage cholesterol. Remember, you're not alone in this. If you're concerned about your cholesterol, chat with your doctor. They can give you personalized advice and help you create a plan that works for you. Thanks for joining me today. Let's all keep our hearts happy and healthy.